Great. A great film. A great cook. Awful. Awful weather. An awful shop. To smell. The flowers smell great. The cheese smells awful. To taste. It tastes very good. It tastes bad. To look. You look good in your new clothes. He looks tired. Delicious. Delicious breakfast. The fish tastes delicious. A taste. To taste. An apple taste. Taste delicious. A smell. To smell. A good smell. It smells awful. A look. To look. A great look. They look good. A drink. To drink. A hot drink. Drink a lot of water. A walk. To walk. Go for a walk. Walk on the beach. A shop. To shop. A clothes shop. Shop for clothes. What a great smell! Is it your new dish? Your dish smells great. Do you like her new look? Yes, she looks great in her new clothes. Do you like the taste of this meat? Sorry, this meat tastes awful. It's too spicy. It's very cold. I need a hot drink. I never drink green tea. I don't like the taste of it. Let's go for a walk in the park. On Sundays they sometimes walk on the beach. A taste. Tasty. An apple taste. A tasty cake. A smell. Smelly. A good smell. Smelly cheese. Fruit. Fruity. Small fruits. Fruity wine. Salt. Salty. Pink salt. Salty biscuits. Sugar. Sugary. Brown sugar. Sugary drinks. Juice. Juicy. Lemon juice. A juicy lemon. You can make a lot of juice from these oranges. Yes, they are very juicy. What's that smell? It's the cheese. It's delicious but very smelly. Does the salad taste good? Yes, It's really tasty. There is too much salt in this pasta. Yes, Dad's dishes are usually very salty. This fish is great. It tastes delicious. The milk is very smelly. Don't drink it. She waters the flowers every day. How much juice can you buy?